Hello and welcome to this week's edition of The Hobby Lifestyle. This week we are going carp fishing and it's windy out there. When it's 50 degrees and there's a 40-mile-an-hour wind, it doesn't feel all that warm, but the water is slowly warming up and we do catch a few, so please join us as we go early season carp fishing with the Method Feeder. There's a pretty nice fish right there. I'm guessing 6, 7 pounds. Might top 8, but I doubt it. It's kind of long and thin.
Got a tubby on the strawberry.
Our favorite strawberry pack bait. You see here, I grab a handful, squeeze her good and tight, get her into a nice little ball about the size of a golf ball, and just squeeze it onto the feeder. And I get it just the way I want it and all packed in there. Then I take the hook and I just slide it into the bait. I don't slide it into the feeder at all. I just slide it into the bait and press it in there. Now it's ready to cast.
It's coming right at me. It's coming right at me. He's not very big, or he just continues to swim at me. He ran like a demon. Oh, there he woke up. Oh yeah, there he is. Just a little guy.
Another long, thin fish, probably a male, but up looking around for something to eat today, and we're happy to have him. Hold on, I think I have a bite. The pelicans think this is an excellent spot to fish.
Putting up a good fight anyway. Oh yeah. She's coming. Oh yeah. Oh, it just got heavy. Must swim in some. Oh, that's a stud. Trying to keep it out of the line. And I'm not being successful at doing so. It's pretty nice, man. You gotta do some fancy footwork here. There we go. There we go. Oh, he's not that big. He's just a fighter. Hey, come on. There we go. Good job. Oh, she's pretty. She is pretty. Yeah, I know, right in the corner. She's not that big, and she's heavy.
A short, fat fish, maybe 9 pounds. Put up a good fight, though. She was healthy.
Kind of chubby. There we go.
And there she goes.
Sorry for the horrible camera angle here. I was trying something a little different, and to be honest, it just didn't work. Hey, what do you know? They're getting a little bigger. This is a little nicer one here. It's probably 11, maybe 12. It's definitely a pregnant female as well. As you can tell, there's no I think I got a bite with the method feeder. I thought he came off right here. Luckily, no, he was just swimming at me, which they're known for. Another nice little 8, maybe 9 pounder. A little fat female, as you can see, ready to go. She's ready to have make some babies.